Welcome back to Quiz Time Challenge.
Would you rather 70 hardest choice ever?
Lighthearted choice. Would you rather have a bad day or give a gift at the end of the video? Would you rather burst a lip or lose a tooth? A funny dilemma. Would you rather step on dog poop or have toilet paper stuck to the sole of your dress shoe? Next up, an intriguing twist. Would you choose lose all your memories or lose your ability to speak? A tough emotional decision. Would you rather save this puppy or show all your messages to your family? Next up, an intriguing twist. Would you choose fight a dinosaur or fight an alien? A nightmare scenario. Would you rather be chased by clowns or be chased by zombies? Let's turn up the heat. Would you prefer walk barefoot on snow or walk across hot sand? Life-changing. Would you rather hit the jackpot or talk 20 minutes with Jesus? Dare to try. Would you rather walk on glass or walk on nails? Holiday sacrifice. Would you rather never celebrate your birthday or never celebrate Christmas? Next up, an intriguing twist. Would you choose fight a dinosaur or fight an alien? Stay connected. Would you rather always have slow internet or like this video? Get ready for adventure. Would you rather live in a tree house or live in a cave? What's worse? Would you prefer always have bad breath or always have greasy hair? Satisfy your cravings. Would you rather only eat spicy food or only eat sweet food? Dare to dive. Would you choose swim with sharks or swim with crocodiles? Ouch! Would you rather walk barefoot on glass or walk barefoot on Legos? Holiday dilemma. Would you prefer never celebrate Christmas or never celebrate your birthday? Time twist. Would you rather always be late or always be early? A skillful choice. Would you rather be the best at all sports or master all musical instruments? Choose your environment. Would you rather only live in the city or only live in the countryside? Painful step. Would you rather walk on sharp rocks or walk on hot sand? Travel goals. Would you rather travel to every country or visit your dream destination? survival, would you rather eat raw food forever or eat burnt food forever? What's more important? Would you rather lose all your friends or lose all your money? A tough sensation, would you rather always feel cold or always feel itchy? Space or sea, would you rather live on Mars or live underwater? Fame dilemma, would you rather be famous for something bad or be completely forgotten? Extreme survival, would you rather never sleep again or never eat again? Communication mastery, would you rather speak every language or speak to animals? Trap dilemma, would you rather be stuck in traffic forever or be stuck in an elevator? Elemental powers, would you rather control fire or control water? Entertainment choice, would you rather never watch movies again or never listen to music again? Ambition dilemma, would you rather be the smartest person alive or be the richest person alive? Survival struggle, would you rather always be hungry or always be thirsty? Time traveler's choice, would you rather travel to the past or travel to the future? Adventure versus fright, would you rather live in a haunted house or live in a jungle? Sweet or savory, would you rather eat only desserts forever or eat only snacks forever? Hero or anti-hero, would you rather be a superhero or be a villain? Sensory sacrifice, would you rather lose your ability to see or lose your ability to hear? Fitness challenge, would you rather walk 10 kilometers every day or swim 2 kilometers every day? Everyday challenge, would you rather always lose your keys or always lose your phone? Fame legacy, would you rather be famous in history books or be famous on social media? Time control, would you rather have a rewind button for life or have a pause button for life? Sensory trade-off, would you rather only see in black and white or only hear one sound forever? Life's choice, would you rather win the lottery or find true love? Painful scenario, would you rather burst a lip or stub your toe? Modern challenge, would you rather live without electricity or live without internet? Ultimate luxury, would you rather have unlimited money or have unlimited time? Rest versus time, would you rather sleep for only 2 hours a day or sleep for 20 hours a day? Travel goals, would you prefer travel to every country or travel to only one dream destination? Brain power, would you choose have a perfect memory or be able to predict the future? Communication struggle, would you rather only be able to whisper or only be able to shout? Pet superpower, would you prefer have a talking dog or have a talking cat? Sweet or salty, would you rather never have dessert again or never have snacks again? Career dilemma, would you choose have a job you love but earn little or have a job you hate but earn a lot? Fame game, would you prefer be famous in history books or be famous in social media? Genie's deal, would you choose have 3 wishes but can't wish for more or have unlimited money? Sensory challenge, would you rather only be able to see black and white or only be able to hear one sound? Eternal youth, would you rather never age physically or never age mentally? Painful decision, would you rather experience a fireplace hand burn or walk on snow barefoot? Nature's test, would you rather be stuck in the rain or be stuck in a sandstorm? Shoe struggle, would you prefer always wear shoes too big or always wear shoes too small? Time control, would you choose have a rewind button for life or have a pause button for life? Elemental power, would you rather be able to control fire or be able to control water? Celestial choice, would you prefer live in a city with no sun or live in a city with no moon? Physical discomfort, would you choose always feel itchy or always feel cold? Survival choice, would you rather eat this every day for breakfast or fight him, the tiger? Magical world, would you rather have toys come to life or see a snowman sing and dance?
Now this is time for gift. Wow, this is a Marvel toy series.
Wow!